Hey everybody, this is a quick video. In case you have Sony WH-CH710N wireless headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these headphones are not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they're not pairing or syncing with your device, maybe your mobile phone or whatever, or if they keep disconnecting, if they're not responding, not pairing, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you are going to need to set them up again, and that's the second reason you might want to do this. If for whatever reason you just want to wipe all of the pairing history off of it, and just so you can set them up like they're just coming out of the box new, we can go ahead and do that quite simply. First thing we need to do is there needs to be enough charge on the battery, and it needs to be not plugged in. So unplug it if it's plugged in, and then we're just going to come in and we're going to press and hold the power button and the play call button in the middle of the volume buttons here, and just hold that for 7 seconds or more. And after those 7 seconds, when the reset has initiated, a blue indicator light will flash 4 times next to the power button. Once that happens, you can let go. The headset will restart, reinitialize to its out-of-the-box settings. You can go on your phone or device and delete the old headphones off, and then just set these up as a new set of headphones.